Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Ubuntu in VirtualBox. So for that, we should already have VirtualBox installed and also we should have the Ubuntu ISO. I'll provide the link of the resources in the description. So let's get started. I have a VirtualBox running here. So to install Ubuntu, click on New. Type in the name of the virtual machine. I'll type in Ubuntu. Now here you can see the type is already selected to Linux and version is Ubuntu 64. And then click on next. Now allocate the amount of RAM that you want to allocate to the machine. And click on next. Now it will ask us to choose existing hard disk or create one. I'll choose on create. Now it will ask us to select the type of the hard disk. I'll choose VDI, virtual disk image. And it should be dynamically allotted, so I'll select dynamically allotted and press next. Now it will ask us for the location of the hard disk. We can select the location of the hard disk and also the size that we want to allocate to the hard disk. I'll make it 15 GB and then click on create. Now we got the virtual machine running. Now we can just start the system by clicking on start. Now here click on the small box icon where you can choose the ISO. Here you can see I already have the Ubuntu ISO listed, but if you don't have it, click on add and then select the Ubuntu ISO from the location. I'll provide the download link for the ISO in the description. Click on open and then select the Ubuntu ISO and click on choose. Now select start. Now the system will start to boot. Okay, so now we can select either try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. I'll click on install. Now select the keyboard layout. I'll keep it as default. Then it asks us how do we want to install the system. I will choose normal install and I'll disable the updates while installing Ubuntu. Then I'll click on continue and then I'll select erase disk and install Ubuntu. As this is in VirtualBox, we don't need to set up hard disks. Now it will prompt us that the following partitions will be created. So everything looks fine. I'll click on continue. Now select the time zone. I'll leave it as default and click on continue. Now type in your computer name. I'll type in Ubuntu and then type in your password that you want to set. And then click on continue. Now it will start installing. It is going to take some time, so I have fast forwarded the video. Okay, so now it is complete and we have to click on restart now. Now the system will restart and the installation is complete. It asks us to press enter. So now I'll press enter and it will reboot. And here we are. We will select Ubuntu and type in our password that we entered and click on enter. So here now we are inside Ubuntu and it asks us to configure something. I'll just skip and press next. No, don't send system info and next. And then again next and done. So now our Ubuntu setup is complete. So this was all. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.